Hey, welcome back everyone. In this video, I will do some work on the engine and lower unit. As you can see, I hooked up a bilge pump with some jumper cable, and I put also a water hose between the pump and the water pickup tube in the engine. And the liquid that I put in that can is vinegar from Home Depot. It's like a very concentrated version of vinegar. So I'm gonna run that for a couple of hours and see if I can clean all the water passage. I did remove the thermostat, so the water can go everywhere into the cylinder head and the entire power head. So here it is, after 2 hours and 15 minutes of flush, and I added some clear water towards the end because it was spilling a little bit, so which means the water should have been much darker. But yeah, tomorrow I will take the thermostat housing and look how if it's way much cleaner. But here is a thermostat, and looks like there is a lot of gunk in it. You look, I'll try to get the, here you go. It's pretty clean. I mean, there is not. Alright, so now I'm going to open the water hose. There we go. Now it's gonna start peeing. And I will hope that too. Guess it needs a little time to get full of water, and then yeah, it starts being more. You can see that brown water was from the flush. Alright, replacing the thermostat and thermostat gasket. And put a little bit of grease here.
That's not bad.
I was cleaning the engine with it's dark outside, and with a flashlight. And then I looked at the front and look at that. Look how dirty that looks like. That's crazy. Look at that crap in here. Oh my. I can't even imagine. I mean, that's the first. And then I think from that, this is the first fuel filter. I think from that it goes to the VST here. And then there is another filter here, and then it goes to the high pressure pump here. So I guess that's gonna have to be replaced. Look at that. So here I was removing, look at that crap that is in a fuel, whatever. I mean, I don't even, oh my god, look at that fuel. Look at that filter that was in. I mean, I don't even know how that engine ran. Seriously. It's nasty, disgusting crap. I'm gonna pour that in a little jar and see how it looks. But I'm definitely gonna have to clean that container, whatever it's called, I do have the new filter, so you can see the difference, right? Full of crap and clean, and I do have the gasket that goes here, and I guess the little gasket that goes here inside. So here's a fuel filter, and here is what was the fuel canister. The top is the engine, whatever spray can cleaner that I had that I put in the canister to try to clean it. But you can still see that. I mean, that's what was in a fuel system. Here I just removed the fuel filter, and I'm going to pour it in here to see how does that look. Wow. I replaced the filter, first fuel filter, and you can see that I replaced that filter and the water separator that is prior to the bowl to pump the gas. So, and when I pumped the gas, this is what came in. So it is clean now. Make me think that the gas that is in the gas tank is clean, and the fact that that water separator, the old one, was all rusty, the gas get that rust color, and it came from that part, not the gas tank. So here we have the, I guess this is a gear cover, gear shaft, and it does come with a gasket that goes right here, and it does have the seal that just come right here. So that's something that can be done. Put a little bit of grease here, and then so that goes together. Then I have that thing. I will have to drive that bearing in and making sure it is flush with here, you know, on both sides, of course, you know. So we'll do that, and on top of that there is those two seals that come on top, and there is that gasket going on the side here, right here, in that groove, and then on top of the two seals here I will have this other kind of gasket, seal, whatever plate. Okay, I'm getting ready to install that gear housing, which I'm gonna in my two hand, I think two. Oh no, going in. There you go. Great. And I do have the seal going on top of that. Oh, okay. There you go. All right, let's do that. Is reinstalled with a seal. Hopefully the gear is in the right position. And then I'm gonna tighten those bolts. As are here, I'm gonna put some grease. So, reinstalling the water pump, I did put that gasket that was totally gone. I removed the key. I'm gonna put that plate here and trying to figure out what. I guess I don't have choices. Huh? It goes one way, considering the little key here that we have. Right. Wow, it's definitely touching something here. I mean, you can feel that it needs to. Alright, I'm gonna double check under that. So I did receive my part today. So I got the first washer, which is a flat one here, the wavy one. You can definitely see it's wavy. And the flat one on top. Then comes the nylon and the metal cover. You're supposed to pull up when you install when you slam the metal cover. So here we're gonna try to install the lower unit. I did put that strap, so thankfully when I got enough here, you know, and can hold the lower unit until I put the bolt and everything. All right, so I got it now with a strap. I still have to align some of the thing here, and I do think maybe putting a little paint on that door well, maybe it's making some resistance to get in. With the strap, when the strap was still on, I was able to tight very slowly that bolt, and everything went up pretty smooth. Only complaint is I can see a little edge here where there is no paint. I don't think it's going to be an issue. Here it's okay on this side, but yeah, it's looking great. All the bolts are in, and it does look pretty good. Yeah, still have to tight. Here I will torque all those bolts at 25 foot per pound. I think the manual has for 29. I think I saw that somewhere online. 25 I think would be fine. And then I will reinstall in the next video. I will hopefully reinstall the propeller and maybe start the engine to see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It really helps. And also, if you haven't hit that bell button, do it. You will get a notification when I'm posting new content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.